This is the Cisco 7841 IP phone. In this video, I'll be going over button functions and basic operation. These buttons are called line keys. They are used to select the line and for speed dialing. Under the display, there are 4 soft keys. The function of each is indicated on the bottom of the display directly above each button. They can change depending on the state of the phone, that is, on hook, off hook, ringing, etc. Directly below the soft keys is the D-pad or directional pad. This can be used to scroll up and down in the display by pressing the top and bottom of the blue-green ring or selecting an option by pressing the center. Below and to the left of the D-pad are 3 buttons. The top one with the tape icon will dial into the voicemail system. The button with the gear on it takes you to the settings for the phone. The phone book button is for the directory, which may not be in use. Below and to the right of the D-pad are 3 more buttons. These are for controlling calls. The top one with the 2 bars, pause icon, is to place or retrieve a call on hold. The button with the arrow pointing at a person is for transferring calls. The button with a group of 3 people is for conference calls. The center of the phone has a standard telephone keypad. To the left of the keypad is the volume control. Volume for the ringer is controlled while the phone is on hook. Call volume can be adjusted while in a call, either with the handset or on the speakerphone. Each setting is independent and saved automatically. The final 3 buttons are located to the right of the keypad. The top one is to use the speakerphone function. The next one is when using a headset. The last one is to mute the microphone and glows red when in use. Calls can be dialed on hook or off hook. Off hook dialing means that you pick up the handset or use the speakerphone and get a dial tone before dialing. On hook is like dialing using a cell phone, where you dial the number first and picking up the handset or pressing the speakerphone starts the call. For internal calls, simply dial the person's 4-digit extension. To make a call to someone outside of your organization, dial 8 first, then the person's telephone number. When receiving a call, the line key will flash amber and the handset has a flashing red indicator, if it's on hook. Picking up the handset will answer the call. However, to answer the call using the speakerphone, you can either press the flashing line key, press the answer soft key, or press the speakerphone button. A solid green light on the line key indicates the call is in progress. To place a call on hold, simply press the hold button. The other party will hear music, and the line key will flash green to indicate that the call is on hold. To bring a call off hold, either press the hold key again or press the flashing line key. To transfer a call, press the transfer button. The original caller will be placed on hold automatically. Dial the party the call will be transferred to. At this point, you can either wait and let the party know about the new call or press the transfer button again. If the party does not want the call, then press the cancel soft key and pick up the original call off hold. If you want to add people to a call in progress, press the conference button. The original call will be placed on hold automatically. Dial the party to be added to the conference. Once the party answers, press the conference button again. This will join the participant to the original call. Typically, this process can be repeated to have up to 4 participants. For additional information, please refer to the Cisco IP Phone Quick Guides or contact your phone administrator.